Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in grammar. Today we have gotten the second kind of adverb that is known as adverb of place. Let's begin the second kind. Adverb of place, an adverb which tells us about the place or location of an action, is called adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us the location of an action or the place of an action. Examples are here, there, ground, kitchen, library, etc. Note an adverb of manner answers the WH word where. It answers the WH word where and it takes end position. Second note, an adverb of manner takes end position. You are again going to put it at the end of a like in ground, in class, in library. Children, first example, they waited where? Where did they wait? They waited here. Here is again adding something in the meaning of verb and telling us the place of an or location of an action. Children play. Where do the children play? They play in a ground. Ground is adding something verb and telling us the location of an action. She speaks English. Where? In class. In class is adding something in the meaning of verb and telling us the location of an action. And for this we ask the question where? Where she speaks English. She speaks English in class. And the last example, I study books. Where do I study books? Again, WH said that I study books in library, adding something in the study and telling us the place or location of an action. And it answers the WH word where, takes the end position. So air, ground, class, library are your adverbs of place. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck for the next lecture. If you have liked the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more videos. Wish you best of luck. See you next time. Goodbye.